Hi all, today we'll discuss on important current affairs for 4th September. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. At the end of the video, I'll ask you all the questions which we discuss in this video. You need to pause the video after each question I ask at the end and write the answer in the comments. You need to test yourself how many questions you are able to answer. And also we'll learn one vocabulary word on daily basis. So watch the video till the end. Now let's start. First one. Which state government has launched cleanliness campaign Gandagi Bharat Chodo? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has launched a cleanliness campaign Gandagi Bharat Chodo with 5 themes. These themes are cleanliness oath, continuous reduction in urban waste emissions, cleanliness in COVID conditions, separation of waste from sources of houses and launching a special cleanliness campaign for public places. About 35 lakh people from 378 urban bodies in Madhya Pradesh took part in this campaign and the best urban bodies were awarded. Remember some important points about Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Madhya Pradesh State Police has launched a campaign Ek Sankalp Bujurgon Ke Naam to help senior citizens. Another important point is Indore of Madhya Pradesh has been awarded as the cleanest city in India in Swachh Sarvekshan Awards 2020. And another campaign Ek Mask Anek Zindagi was also launched by Madhya Pradesh. About Madhya Pradesh, capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal, Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Anandiben Patel. Next one. IRDAI set up a 6-member working group to study index linked products for life insurance companies. Who is the head of this group? Answer is Dinesh Pant. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India formed a 6-member working group headed by Dinesh Pant to examine various aspects for allowing the life insurance companies to offer index linked products. Do you know what is an index linked policy? Index linked policies are life insurance policies in which the insurance premiums are invested. It means insurance policies put a portion of the policyholder's premium payments towards annual renewable term insurance. The cash value earned is credited with interest based on the increase in the equity index. Presently, the regulations of IRDAI does not permit the insurance companies to offer or sell the index linked products, but now as per the request made by the insurance companies, IRDAI formed this group to assess the possibility. Remember, current chairman of IRDAI is Subhash Chandra Kuntia and its headquarters is in Hyderabad. Next one. Who became the first woman Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Answer is Usha Padhi. Usha Padhi became the first woman Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security under the Ministry of Civil Aviation. She is a 1996 batch IAS officer from Odisha cadre and she replaces Rakesh Asthana, who was appointed as the Director General of Border Security Force recently. She is currently serving as the Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Civil Aviation and she was given additional charge as Director General until a new Director General will be appointed. Next one. Government of India banned how many Chinese apps recently including PUBG over security concerns? Answer is 118 apps. Government has banned another 118 Chinese apps including popular multiplayer game PUBG and search engine Baidu, citing them to be security threats. Previously, India has banned 59 Chinese apps after the Galwan clash and now another 118 Chinese apps were banned to safeguard the data of the internet users and to protect the sovereignty and integrity of India. Do you remember who is the Minister of Electronics and Information Technology? Ravi Shankar Prasad. Next one. Who is the author of the book The Commonwealth of Cricket, a lifelong love affair with the most subtle and sophisticated game known to human mankind? Answer is Ramachandra Guha. Ramachandra Guha is the author of the book The Commonwealth of Cricket, a lifelong love affair with the most subtle and sophisticated game known to human mankind. The book describes about the cricket on how it is treated and played in India from local level to the international level. The book is to be released in November 2020 and this will be co-published by HarperCollins India and William Collins. Ramachandra Guha had previously served as an administrator of Board of Control for Cricket in India. Next one. Which country's High Court has ordered that Hindu widows are entitled to share in all properties of deceased husband? Answer is Bangladesh. The High Court of Bangladesh has ordered that Hindu widows are entitled to share in all properties of their deceased husband. Earlier, the law entitled the Hindu widows only to the homestead property of their husband. Homestead means the wife of the deceased husband cannot sell the property to clear any debts. The inherent rights of a woman on the property of her husband is guided by the Hindu Women's Rights to Property Act 1937, which curtailed Hindu women of their property rights. Next one. What is India's rank in Global Innovation Index 2020? Answer is 48th rank. India ranked 48th in Global Innovation Index. This is the first time India ranked in the top 50 countries in Global Innovation Index. This is the 13th edition of the Global Innovation Index, and this was jointly released by World Intellectual Property Organization, Cornell University and INSEAD Business School. This index is topped by Switzerland, and this report is the innovation performance of 131 countries around the world. Also remember, India became the third most innovative lower middle economy in the world. Next one. Who has been approved as the CEO of Railway Board by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet? Answer is V.K. Yadav. The Appointments Committee of the Cabinet has approved the appointment of V.K. Yadav as the CEO of Railway Board. The Cabinet had earlier approved the restructuring of the Railway Board, whose strength has been reduced from 8 to 5. As part of the restructuring of the Railway Board, the Chairman and CEO will be the cadre controlling officer responsible for human resources with assistance from a DGHR. And also the Indian Railway Medical Service will be renamed the Indian Railway Health Service. The process to merge 8 railway related wings into a single central service called the Indian Railway Management Service is underway. Next one. Which institute is in the top among Indian institutes according to Times Higher Education's The World University Ranking? Answer is Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru is in the top among Indian institutes and ranked 36 in the world as per the Times Higher Education report, The World University Rankings. University of Oxford of United Kingdom is the top in the world in these rankings. These rankings is based on teaching, research, knowledge transfers and international outlook. The Times Higher Education ranked around 1500 universities from 93 countries and regions around the world. Next one. Who has been appointed as the new brand ambassador of Myntra recently? Answer is Kyra Advani. Myntra has appointed Bollywood actress Kyra Advani as its brand ambassador. With this partnership, Advani, who has acted in several Bollywood films and web series, will feature in the company's new brand campaign. Myntra is an Indian fashion e-commerce company which sells fashion and apparel brands on its platform. Remember, Myntra was launched in 2007. Later in 2014, it was acquired by Flipkart. Myntra's present CEO is Amar Nagaram and its headquarters is in Bengaluru. Now I'll ask all the questions one by one. Pause the video and write the answer in the comments. First question we discussed was, which state government has launched a cleanliness campaign Gandagi Bharat Chodo? Next one. IRDAI set up a 6-member working group to study index linked products for life insurance companies. Who is the head of this group? Next one. Who became the first woman Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Next one. Government of India banned how many Chinese apps recently, including PUBG, over security concerns? Next one. Who is the author of the book The Commonwealth of Cricket, a lifelong love affair with the most subtle and sophisticated game known to human mankind? Next one. Which country's High Court has ordered that Hindu widows are entitled to share in all properties of deceased husband? Next one. What is India's rank in Global Innovation Index 2020? Next one. Who has been approved as the CEO of Railway Board by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet? Next one. Which institute is in the top among Indian institutes according to Times Higher Education's The World University Ranking? Next one. Who has been appointed as the new brand ambassador of Myntra recently? Now we learn the vocabulary word for today. Today's word is pinnacle. It means the most successful or admired part of a system or achievement. Example is, by the age of 32, she had reached the pinnacle of her career. These are the important current affairs for 4th September. If the information is helpful, please give a like. Thank you.